Hi there, Sandra here. I decided to conduct an experiment this morning to see exactly how small a piece of vinyl I could get away with without a mat using my Juliet. Now the proviso on this is that I wanted 2 wheels on my vinyl. I did not want to do it with just 1 wheel, and I just wanted to see how small a piece I would need to feed through in order for the wheels to grip it and then for the blade to come down on the vinyl. And the answer is 2 centimeters. So from here to here, and I purposely cut through this bit so you can see, is 2 centimeters. And that's as much as you need. After that, you can cut your design right the way to the bottom edge because that's the way the cutter works. And regards the width, on the Juliet, I have found that the narrowest gap will allow me to cut 8.5, or will allow the sheet, I should say, to be 8.5 centimeters. So I wouldn't put anything narrower than that underneath the wheels. But as long as you have 8.5 and you have something longer than 2, you can cut, which is pretty impressive. Now, I did this experiment because I generally have used small pieces of vinyl, squares of vinyl when I've bought them. I've not been buying anything much on the roll. So from my point of view, I was thinking, it's just a pain putting vinyl onto a mat. I would much rather do it without a mat if I could. And to be perfectly honest, if you can cut something of this size, if I can get away with using a credit card, basically credit card size piece of vinyl in my machine, then I'm pretty happy. And I won't need to be using a mat. So as long as you are actually using weeding boxes or cutting your vinyl down to rectangles at the end of the day, you should be able to use pretty much everything with the Juliet. Now, I do not know whether the Romeo has a difference in the gaps in the grit shaft. Someone else can comment on that down below, but for the Juliet, 8.5 by 5 centimeters was enough to allow me to do this. So this is 3 centimeters and that is 2. 2 is what you need for the lead into the machine. Other than that, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Take care now.